Have you been feeling tired, foggy, or just not quite like yourself lately? Hormone imbalance could honestly be the reason. At Patients Medical in New York City, we help women and men restore their vitality with personalized bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, also known as BHRT. So, BHRT uses hormones that are chemically identical to the ones your body naturally produces. Unlike synthetic hormones, BHRT offers a safer, more natural approach to correcting imbalances that can cause things like fatigue, mood swings, brain fog, low libido, hot flashes, and even weight gain. Whether you're in perimenopause, menopause, or experiencing male hormonal decline, also called andropause, BHRT can help you feel like yourself again. At Patients Medical, we really go beyond just prescriptions. Led by Dr. Kulsum Balak, our functional medicine team provides advanced hormone testing, like blood work and Dutch panels. We offer personalized BHRT plans, whether that's creams, pellets, pills, or gels. You'll also get nutritional and lifestyle support for lasting balance, plus regular follow-up testing to optimize your results. We treat the whole you, not just your symptoms. Women may experience hot flashes and night sweats, brain fog and memory loss, low libido and vaginal dryness, mood swings and anxiety, sleep disturbances, and even weight gain and bloating. Men may experience low testosterone, erectile dysfunction, or low libido, fatigue, and loss of drive, mood changes, and emotional flatness, muscle loss, and weight gain. If these sound familiar, BHRT may be the solution. Unlike synthetic hormones, bioidentical hormones are, well, structurally identical to your natural hormones. They're plant-derived, not animal-based or chemically altered, and they're customized to your body's needs. When done properly, BHRT has fewer reported side effects and really supports long-term well-being. At Patients Medical, we never guess, we test. Your BHRT journey starts with comprehensive blood testing, Dutch urine testing for metabolites and cortisol, and thyroid and adrenal panels. Based on your results, we create a personalized treatment plan using pellets, creams and gels, pills or troches, and for select cases, injections. While BHRT isn't a miracle cure, it can help you restore your energy and metabolism, sharpen cognitive function, protect bone and muscle mass support, skin elasticity, enhance libido, and emotional well-being. BHRT really supports the body's natural resilience at any age. When done properly, yes it is. We only use FDA-approved and compounded bioidentical hormones, safe delivery methods, transdermal preferred where appropriate, and regular hormone monitoring to ensure optimal balance. Thousands of patients have regained their vitality with BHRT at Patients Medical. Hormone imbalance doesn't have to rule your life. With advanced testing and a personalized plan, you can feel energized, balanced, and whole again. You can visit us in Midtown NYC, call 1212-661-7177, or request your appointment at patientsmedical.com. It's time to feel like you again, with bioidentical hormone therapy at Patients Medical. Patients Medical, Integrative, and Functional Medicine in New York City.